Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel Flying Right Here. So I thought I would do a quick ride in the evening, going out for some wind therapy. But I also wanted to give you a view into an app that I just started to use. And I'm actually going to do a full review on this app after I've used it for the next couple of weeks, but I wanted to give you a quick glimpse of how cool this app really is. It's called Scenic Motorcycle Navigation, and you can see it right on here. And one of the cool things about this app, again, this is not a full review of the app, but check it out if you can. So far, I've loved it. One of the cool things I like about it is wherever you're headed, you can generate a specific type of route. So in this case, it gives you the option of efficient, it gives you short, fast, you name it, but it also allows you to generate a curvy route. And you could avoid the tolls, you could avoid the highways, which clearly I want to do in this particular case. So if I generate a curvy route, it gives you even more options to select extra curvy, curvy, fast curvy. So I'm going to pick extra curvy. I'm going to close this, and there you have it. That's a curvy route that you can enjoy as you're riding your respective motorcycle. So I thought it was pretty cool. So I wanted to share this small glimpse of the app. Also, I wanted to give you a view of one of the many parks that we have here in Monmouth County. In many of my other videos, I've often talked about Monmouth County has the most parks out of any county in the state of New Jersey. As often as I can, I'm going to come out and take you to these parks, take you on a ride, show you what the roads leading up to the park look like, show you the area, and also bring the drone, and where I can, launch the drone and give you an aerial view of some of the parks and some of the beautiful areas that this part of New Jersey ultimately has to offer. There's actually a new development. Most of these houses were just built in the last year or so. Barber CVO 19, if you're watching, this is one of the areas that when you do come down, we'll go for a ride and show you around. I know you're considering, I know you're looking for property, and this area in Monmouth County is certainly a great area to consider. So if you're new to the channel, in this channel, I focus on motovlogs, motorcycle rides on my 2020 Street Glide CVO Sand Dune, which is what you're looking at right here. And I also do product upgrades, product reviews, also fly a DJI Mavic 2. So in most of the rides, I'll try to combine some cinematic views of me flying a drone, generally in the area where I'm riding to or riding from, or somewhere in the vicinity. This place here in the corner just opened up, and I rode by here this weekend. There was a huge line of cars. Almost Home General. Nice little restaurant, or deli. I'm gonna have to check that out. One of the many farms, that's Oak Hill Farms. Finally cooperating here with us in New Jersey. Man, we were having a bunch of weeks of just rainy, crappy weather. Heck, I even had hail 2 weeks ago in my house. It's crazy. And now the forecast looks promising actually all week. Mid to high 70s, gonna break the 80s later on in the week. So stay tuned. Lots of ride videos, checking out the areas, checking out the scenes. So you're going to want to stick around. Here is very cool. It's called Bellworks, and they've opened up a bunch of shops in there, offices, beautiful area to come biking, jogging, walking around. And just look at these roads. I mean, this is it was made for riding. Park. This is one of the entrances. It has multiple entrances. Another farm. You see every day, horse crossing. This is one of the entrances. And there's the park to your left. Welcome to Homedale Park, one of the many in Monmouth County. You know, if the county starts to watch these videos, they might want to hire me in promoting the area. I am not for hire. This is for pure enjoyment, and more importantly, for all of you to experience it and enjoy it as you watch these videos. And for those of you watching, thanks for watching. In this channel, we do motovlogs, we do rides, we do upgrades, we do reviews on my 2020 Street Glide CVO. And also I fly drones, so usually in every ride I will incorporate some sort of drone footage, some cinematic views, so you can really appreciate the area. Park's got trails there. It's got also paved trails, so you could do cross country or you could do paved roads as well. Playground here on the right. See the trails back there. Tennis courts are right back there. And you got a playground right here. People come and hang out. I've got the tour pack on it today. Got the drone. All my stuff is back here. I'm doing exactly what Mr. Anonymous Biker USA recommends that we do. Explore on two wheels. And there she is, 2020 Street Glide CVO Sand Dune with the 117. So before I take out the drone, just about everywhere I go, I always use a specific app. One, to make sure that I can fly the drone where I am, and then two, to also check the conditions, make sure the airspace is clear. It's called Kitty Hawk. Now, there's other apps you can use, but this is ultimately the one that I use. And hopefully you can see this here in the video. This is where I am. But you can tell this area here, and the reason why it's red and you're not allowed to fly is because there's a military base there, and that's restricted airspace. But it tells you the conditions, the wind, the gust, flight. It's clear. The airspace is clear. That's the important one. Forecast is clear. You know, gives you the air traffic activity in the area. All sorts of information. And I always check this first before I launch the drone. So obviously, I can fly it here. So I'm gonna launch it up and show you around. Give you a nice view here, nice and slow. That's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you did, do me a favor, hit that like button. Also remember to subscribe, and remember to hit that bell icon so you can be reminded of future uploads. The weather is perfect in New Jersey. It's going to be nice for the next several weeks, so a lot of videos, a lot of content for all of you. So stay tuned to the channel, and appreciate you watching.